In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Clip Studio Paint to default settings. So to do this, first you must close down the application like this using this X button top right. And then whenever you do this, you want to open up your Clip Studio launcher. So just go back to search over here, search for Clip Studio, and then just click on it. And as you probably know, it's going to open this Clip Studio launcher over here. Now to actually reset to default settings, what you want to do at this point where you're in Clip Studio, you want to hold down your shift key on your keyboard. So I'm on Windows here, hold down your shift key and keep holding it and just press on draw. Now keep holding it and it's going to open up your Clip Studio Paint in the back. Just keep holding your shift key, and whenever it opens up over here in the back, you can release your shift key, you can close this down, and as you can see, it's gonna give you a pop-up saying reset to original defaults. Now here you can select what you want to reset, for example just specific parts, or you could go and select all over here and it's gonna basically select everything. Then you want to click on OK, and this is going to reset everything to original defaults and reopen your Clip Studio Paint. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.